In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set ticket priorities in Zendesk. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Setting the right priorities for your tickets is crucial for managing your workload effectively and ensuring your customers receive timely support. So let's get started. First, open the ticket that you need to update. You can do this by navigating to your ticket queue or find it in your custom view within the agent workspace. Once you spot the ticket that you want to prioritize, just click to open it. Now that you have the ticket open, let's locate the ticket field sidebar. This will be on the left side of your screen. You'll find a panel that lists structured information about the ticket, including the requester's details, the ticket type, and any tags that are associated with it. This sidebar is your go-to place to find various details related to the ticket. Next, we need to focus on the priority menu. Within that left sidebar, you will see the priority drop-down menu. It's essential to know where this is because it's where you will set the ticket's priority level. Now let's walk through the priority levels you can choose from. There are 4 available options, and your choice will depend on the impact and urgency of the customer's issue. First up is the low priority. This is suitable for general questions, minor requests, or any tasks that aren't blocking the workflow. For instance, if a customer has a simple inquiry about business hours, this would fall into the low category. Next, we have normal. This is the standard priority level and is used for tickets that need attention but aren't time-sensitive. It's a great choice for regular queries that need answers but won't disrupt operations. Then, we have high. If a ticket has a significant impact on a workflow, or if there's an approaching deadline or commitment that needs addressing, you should consider this priority level. It signals that while it's urgent, it's not a complete blocker yet. Lastly, we have urgent. This is for total outages or any critical business blockers that have an immediate and severe impact on your operations. If a customer's business processes are halted because of an issue, this is where you need to classify it to address it as soon as possible. Once you've selected the appropriate priority level for the ticket, the final step is to save your changes. You'll want to look for the Submit button at the bottom right of your screen. Click on that when you're ready. Remember, you can submit it under an appropriate status, like Open if it's still part of your active workload, or Pending if you're waiting for a response from the customer. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can assign the right priority to your tickets in Zendesk, helping your team respond effectively and your customers stay happy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for